Hey, MonkeyHappy. Say hey, everybody. Say hey, guys. Always giving kisses. Look here. We've got some Gerber Infused Water. It's super healthy. Happy's never had any. He's like, I want to try something. You got to open it right here, Happy. Look. Oh. Look. It's like a squeezy pouch. So, look. So I checked the ingredients, Happy, and they're very good. Watch this. I'm going to open it for you because I don't want you to make a big monkey mess. Turn this way so we can see it. He's like, whoa. Is that good? Let me see. Let me see. That is some tasty water. Go, Happy. Go, little guy. Come here, let me get on my shoulder and do it. Here we go. It's like a baby bottle. Is it good? He's like, make it come out faster. You're silly, Happy. Here you go, Happy.
The puppy likes to go for a ride.
I'm sorry, Happy. He's like, hey, man. Look right here. It's okay here, buddy. I'm sorry. He said, I don't know about that thing. It squirted me. You want a red Solo cup? Happy, we'll put some in here for you. Here we go. Put that right there. Come here, little guy. Is it good? Let's give this to Mila. There's still some in there. Mila knows how to do it. There you go, Mila. Come here, Happy. Drink your juice. Happy, that could take all day. There you go. You wipe your mouth off. You're a messy little monkey, Happy. He drinks out of water bottles really good. You're silly. So this is strawberry flavored, Happy. Oh, he's cleaning the table. What is it? Are you being sweet to everybody? Oh, he's a little ham. Happy ham. Oh, he's a little show off. What's you doing? You go, oh, there he comes. Oh, Happy. He's silly. Are you a good boy? You got hugs for Daddy? Oh, I love him too. That wasn't much of a hug. You better come give me a good hug, Happy. There, the good boy. That's my sweet Happy. Go talk to everybody. So I drink some of my juice. Want another drink? Happy, you just think you're just too cute. Look, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. You're silly. Here it is. Are you full? Y'all thirst? Y'all quenched up? No more thirst? Oh, sweet happy. You gonna jump a little bit? Jump, 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 jump. Oh, I know I love you. I was excited. I was jumping. He's excited. Jump, jump. You're a silly boy, Happy. All right, come get my arm right here. So I say, I've been really cute and really fun. I had some juice, I did some jumping and some playing. I'm giving everybody loving. Get on my arm right here. Good boy. You give everybody a kiss and say, I love you guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Big kisses, Happy.